I tried MoonPay Wallet Collect app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first decided to try the MoonPay Wallet Connect app, I expected just another crypto payment gateway. But after 7 days of using it, I found out the truth. MoonPay isn't just a tool, it's becoming the backbone of how everyday users enter the world of crypto. From the moment I started, the app impressed me with its simplicity. Setting it up took less than 2 minutes. Connect your wallet, verify your identity, and you're ready to buy or sell crypto instantly using debit or credit cards. What shocked me most was how many wallets and apps integrate with MoonPay. It connects to giants like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and LedgerLev, letting you buy crypto directly inside them without leaving the interface. During the week, I tested transactions in multiple currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Solana. Payments went through fast, often in under 5 minutes. Compared to typical exchanges, it felt effortless. However, there is a catch. The fees can add up. On smaller transactions, I noticed charges of 4 to 5%, which can sting if you're a frequent buyer. Still, the app shines in accessibility. MoonPay accepts dozens of fiat currencies, works in over 160 countries, and supports Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's built for convenience, and that's where it wins. On day 7, the shocking truth became clear. MoonPay doesn't try to be a crypto exchange, it's a bridge. It connects traditional finance to digital assets in a way that's fast, regulated, and surprisingly smooth. If you're someone who wants to enter crypto without dealing with complex exchanges, MoonPay is one of the easiest doors in. Just remember, convenience comes at a cost.